Hello everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another After Effects CS6 tutorial. I'm your host, Buddy Blackford, and today I want to talk to you about making paragraphs and then using the paragraph panel in After Effects. So, another way that you can create text is if you have the text tool selected and you click and you drag and make a text box. Well, this is now called a paragraph. So you can use your paragraph panel here to do more things than if you just click and make text by clicking. So I'm gonna type in some lines here. Well, the text is way too huge. Let's go to like 50 or something like that. Blah blah blah. I'm a dirty tramp. I think that's from like an Adam Sandler movie. This is a movie quote. I'm not really one. Here's more text. New Boston is back. Where's Bucky? That's what I see in the comments all the time. So right now we can see at 100% that we've got huge line spacing, and looks like everything's moved to the left and all that stuff like that. So let's go to the character panel here, and we're going to adjust our line spacing by coming to this section here, and we'll bring it up so it looks a little better at least. So there we go with that. And now I can show you the paragraph panel a little bit more. So we've got our align tools here. We got left, center, and right, and I'll just show you what those do real quick. So I just want to show you this. If you click on a line, you can a line of text, you can align it by itself. So just click probably like at the end, and I can align this one in the center, I can align this one to the right, I can align this one in the center, and I can keep this one on the left. So you can do it by line, or you can come and do it all at once. And there's that. Now you've got your justifies here. So we've got our justify left, justify last centered, last right, and all, which obviously that looks terrible, but if you have a lot of text and it's like a paragraph that just goes past the line and just goes down, then you can use justify all and it might look better. We have our indentations and spacing between paragraphs here. So this section here is the indent left margin. Below it is indent right margin, so I'll mess with those. Now we're indenting that way. And then indent right will move everything to the right. It'll create like a line and nothing can go past it. Put that back to 0. The next two here are add space before paragraphs and add spaces after paragraphs. So there we go. And then after is going to pretty much do the same thing because I don't have a bunch of lines of text. There we go. I'll make some lines there. Well, and some spaces and stuff. It's all the same friggin' letters. So here I'll show you this. So here's before, and you can see that this paragraph stays together, and then the other paragraphs where I hit enter and made a line break are different. Put that back at 0, and then here's after. And then the last one here is indent first line. So there you go there. So that's all for the paragraph panel. Actually, there's some more in the options panel. So I mean, if I select everything, I come to the options panel, we've got Roman hanging punctuation, and then we've got our leading here, top to top or bottom to bottom. single line in Composer, every line in Composer, and reset paragraph. The main one to remember is reset paragraph. It's just going to set it to the default. So if you mess everything up and it looks like crap, you can just go to reset paragraph. If you unclick from your text, so click off and then click on your text layer here, and you right click on the text, you get some more options here. You can click on edit text, which will allow you to go back and type in and everything like that. Now we've got convert to point text here. When you convert to point text, I'm going to click on it now. You can no longer use the justifies here, and everything's going to be not in paragraph mode anymore. So these lines that I had as paragraphs before, they're not like that anymore. Everything is its own line. It's the same thing as if you just clicked and started typing like that instead of dragging out a text box. So it converts it that way. Let's see what else we got. Let's click on the layer. We can change it to vertical, and that's pretty much all there is. The add text selector and animate text are in both, and I'll go over those later. But that's all I want to go over this time for real about the paragraph panel and the paragraph text. So I'm going to end the tutorial now, and thanks for watching this one. I want to see you guys in the next one, where I'm going to go over some more cool text tips. See you guys later. Have a good one.